Hello, today we will discuss how to code the game Flappy Bird. This is quite an interesting and fun game, so let's see how it works. Okay, so as you could see, the purpose is to make the bird fly but avoid the various pillars which act as obstacles. And as soon as we hit a pillar, then the game stops. So let's see how this game basically works. Okay, so this section over here is the backdrop. So this is the background that we will be using. So this is just plain background of a sky with some greenery. So as you can see, when we click this green flag, then it will always set the speed of this bird by default, and this background is put as default, so it will never change. Now what we have over here is our sprites. So what sprites are basically is they're interactable elements that you can use in your game, and they act somewhat as characters. So let's see how these ones work. So when we go to the chick, so this is basically the bird that we're trying to like make it fly and avoid the obstacles. So as we can see, as soon as we click the green flag, then the speed of the bird is set, and it will point in the direction 60 degrees, so it will point straight, and it will wait until key is not pressed. So then when so when we press the key, then all of this will happen, and if you're holding the key, then this will continue. So let's see how this works. When we click the green flag again, the direction is 90 degrees, and then it's going to keep turning. So as you can see, this bird keeps turning a bit when we click the space bar, right? And again, when this is clicked, then this will obviously set the fixed position for the bird. It will set the speed for the bird, and then if this also says that if it touches pipe, so pipe is our second sprite, then the game will stop. And let's check out the code for the pipe as well. So when we go to the pipe, we can see that when green flag is clicked, then it is hidden, and it will create a clone of itself. So there will be two pipes, and then it will pick a random position for the pipes to go to. So as you can see, there are two pipes, right? One is on top and one is on bottom, and they're all arranged in random positions. So yeah, that is basically how this fun and easy to play game works.